Hello and welcome to the garden. Today I'm just here to share with you my last and final harvest of these black beans and bush beans. This season was my first time growing black beans. They didn't give me any problems whatsoever, except for the time when they were infested by the mildew. But that only affected the leaves, it didn't affect the harvest at all. So I've been harvesting them in batches, some while they are green for me to add to my stews or my salads whenever I needed some green beans, and I decided to leave some until they dry out on the plant. So this is the last of the harvest. I want to completely remove the plants because I want to clear the area for my next crop. Plus, I still want to grow some beans on another garden bed on the other side because the season still allows. Completely cutting them from the trellis, it's a bit annoying because my hands can't reach all the way through, but I'm not worried. Whatever is left on the trellis, I'll just leave it and let it dry out by itself and fall off. And that was today's batch. I'll keep it on my counter until all of the green ones are completely dried out. Then I'll continue to shell them and put them in a container. And then I proceeded to clear up the area. I want to get rid of most, if not all, of the marigold in my entire garden because they have been a good breeding ground for the mold and the mildew that has been covering this garden bed in particular. If you are worried about why I'm removing all of the marigold in my garden, don't worry, I made a complete video on why I do this every new gardening season. I will put up a link to that video so you can check it out for yourself and put your mind at ease because there are various reasons why I do this. Most of the marigold that I'm pulling out, it is already dead underneath and it's covered in mold, and some of it has already started to decompose. done and done. The sun had already set, so I'll come back tomorrow or whenever I find time in between my busy schedule to come and prepare the soil for the next crop. These were the beans for today. And these are the ones that I had let to dry and I had harvested in the last couple of weeks. These are the bush beans, and here is a mixture of the black beans and the bush beans. And that was my lazy Sunday in a nutshell. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you on the next one.